are at a typical spot in a home lawn. It is an open area, dry, could have been caused from many various factors. Most often, people with pets will exhibit dog spots and or kicking through traffic. What we're going to want to do is repair this area so it doesn't get filled in with weeds. So some of the steps we'll be taking today is opening up with some tools. You want to decompact the soil, as well as getting the seed in there roughly a 1/4 inch deep. From there, we'll kind of cover the seed a little bit, increase the seed to soil contact a little more to help retain moisture in the seed. If you ever dry out the seed at all in that point in germination, the seed could die and you'll lose out on that investment. So we'll be showing a couple ways to work around this and some things that people will do in this process.